What have you got to say about this poor performance from the soccer boys?
Which soccer boys?
The ones that played against Mali.
You mean our Warriors?
Yes, the Warriors.
Let me correct you, Mr. Journalist. We no longer have poor performance. The boys played very well. If you see the game we played, if you watched the game we played against Zambia, that was our first game. We played very well. You see, the boys have improved that they could do two unintercepted passes, and we were very happy as the board. The coach has worked very hard. If you watched our previous games, we could hardly come up with 2 or 3 unintercepted passes. What we did with Zambia was we looked at Zambia, and Zambia are our neighbors. So we said, no, let's not attack our neighbors. That's why we played more for defensive soccer. We looked at it and said, if we attack them, it will be like xenophobia. Like what we always hear from South Africa, it is always South Africa attacking neighbors. And we did not attack them. Even if when they scored, did you see us trying to come back and score? We did not. Not saying it in a braggadocious way, but I would want to say that the current ZIFA board is one of the richest ZIFA board ever to be elected. And we had spoken with the boys in the changing room. We wanted to know if they wanted us to buy that game that Mali could give it. But the guy said, no, it's not time to start buying games. But I want to assure you that we will be buying games. Any game that's coming now, we starting. The project is already, we have already started the project of buying games. We'll be buying games. Each and every game that comes, be it a friendly, we will pay the visiting team. If we are going there, we will also pay the hosting team whatever they want, and then we win the game. Don't worry, Zimbabwe. The money that we have, we can buy any game. We can buy whether Barcelona, we can buy any game that we play. If it's Zimbabwe versus Newcastle, we will win that game, we will buy it, and you'll be happy. And if there are other small teams like Might Warriors, Young Warriors, if they want us to buy a game for them, they just call us. The coaches, they call us. Is that ZIFA? Yes, we have a game against this country. Can you buy it for us? Then we buy it. So Zimbabwe is doing well and we'll be buying. So we are very happy that we'll be buying.
Is it a point of buying games or winning games?
That I don't know, but my boss promised that if we failing to win, soon he'll be starting to buy them.
Oh,
so we are going to buy.
But
The boys are very happy. They are back home. They are in their hotels now. We're going to give them whatever we promised them, considering that they are back home. So we are very happy with what the boys did for us. It's something that as a nation we have to look into and emulate. Other teams, be it hockey, golf, whatever, they must emulate the Warriors. We're very good people. The law, we will stick with the law of the world. If you can't win them, buy them. So we will buy.